Hey guys, and in this video we are going to see how to reduce bike's vibration on the handlebars. So for that I bought these two bar and weights which actually costed me around 60 rupees per piece. So it actually comes with only weight, there is no Allen bolt, so we need to purchase it separately. So the end weight is actually a bit solid, I would say. So it is for some Bajaj Pulsar. So to fix it in this Gixxer of 150 or any vehicles which doesn't comes with metal bar and weight. So my vehicle actually comes with a plastic one. As you could see, we can't fix this metal weight over here. So one thing we can do is we need to change this complete handlebar. So I purchased this handlebar which is from Bajaj Avenger 220. So this one costed me at 460 rupees, which actually was heavier than KTM's or any bikes. And the quality is good, and the powder coating finish is also great actually. And it also feels a bit heavier to see. And on the sides I think you can see the bar and weights tread. So this is the mounting where we tighten up the bar and weights. I think you can modify it in your existing handlebars if you get that small sleeve or not, I think. And to check the weights of the bar and handlebar, I bought this weighing machine which actually costed me around 300, I guess. I will share you the link and in the cards also. So it's weigh around 230 grams. 1 or 2 grams actually is fluctuating. So total roundabout is around 456 grams. So it's yeah, half a kg. And the handlebar actually weighs around at 1.063 grams. So around 1 kg. And another extra thing that you need to check is if you have a vernier, check the diameter of this handlebar. So mostly companies like Bajaj or Suzuki and Hero use common standard size of handlebars. But some other companies like this Kiwe, Kawasaki and all actually up the size of the handlebar. So here it's actually showing me 22 exactly. So let me check it in the existing handlebar. And here it is also showing me around 22.10. I also checked it in multiple place and here it is showing me 22. I guess it's okay. So to remove the handlebar, you have to loosen up these 4 bolts using a 10 mm T-rod or a ring spanner. I prefer T-rod. Okay. So this actually also this one you have to remove to remove the clutch, and also you have to remove all the 2 mounts. This is how it looks after fixing the handlebar in the vehicle. Sorry I couldn't take a video as I fixed it in late nights. And for the bar and weights I used an Allen key which I directly got from Bajaj service. And this is how it looks. So it's a bit wider and heavier, so you get a more amount of space to hold the handlebar. So the marking actually comes out, that's not a big problem. And I've been riding this vehicle for around 3000 kilometers after fixing this handlebar. So there's been less vibrations, and it's also comfortable for me. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe for our channel.